Now let's get into this video and know how it was produced, how it was done. First of all, if you're just new to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We'll be teaching AI and every other aspect of tech that you will need to learn from. But let's get back to the video, okay? First of all, if you want to generate a very good prompt for your video, for your animation, for even for a short movie that you want to create, even for a musical video, go ahead and generate a very good prompt. A prompt that will not be guessing what you are up to. So you can go to ChatGPT and do that, or you go to Grok Imagine and put in a few prompts that will dictate, that will say what you're doing. For this one, I'm writing a 3D cartoon, a pink rabbit and a princess walking down a garden. Okay, once you do that, you'll be able to, walking down a colorful garden, you'll be able to say this is what you are aiming at, this is what you intend to do. You can change the walking down the garden to dancing, dancing in a garden, wherever. Okay, just put it the way it will suit you very much well. If once you're able to write the information that the prompt will need to know, put in everything, put in as much detailed information as you want into the prompt. You can even go ahead and tell it in what accent it will say what you need, in whether they should be dancing, whether they should be playing, whether they should just be discussing in the animation you want to generate, or in the video you want to generate, what you want them to be saying. Once you're done, click on send to generate the prompt. As you can see, it's generating the prompt, a scene description in a Nigerian accent. These are the prompts. I will not need to read it out, so we can save time and be able to learn up as much as possible. Okay, it's putting up everything that we need to know. It's putting up everything that we need to know. So we'll go ahead and copy that prompt. We'll go ahead and copy the prompt. Once we copy the prompt, we once you copy the prompt, you go to Grok and paste the prompt. Okay. Once you go to Grok and paste the prompt. After pasting the prompt, you just wait for a little seconds, a little minutes, depending, to start counting to generate the images. The images are what you might need to use to generate your video. Because from the prompt you pasted in prompt and Grok, you should be able to generate like 3 to 4 images or even 6 images, depending on and the number of the videos you need. Okay, once you generate the images, you just pick one or two of them and convert it to video. You can convert it to video to the dimension you prefer. You cannot be able to do the different dimensions in Grok, but for it's beginning to dance in here, it's beginning to dance, beginning to respond to the prompts that you just put in there. Okay, once you're done, you can go ahead and redo the video if you want. You can redo the video to the one you prefer. You can change it from the one that was dancing and change it to a different image that was generated alongside the previous images. And then click on the generate again for it to start dancing. As you can see, this is the second image that was generated into an animation. Okay, that's still dancing. Yes, as you can see, there are butterflies in this very video, and the previous image and this previous video and this one are slightly different because of butterfly, because of the background, because of what the princess is wearing. You can go ahead and change it as much as you can, as much as you want, as far as it's serving what you want it to do. The prompt will respect your images. So once you're done, all you have to do is click on download, and once you click on download, that very image, that very video will be in your gallery as fast as possible. You can go ahead and try it over and over again. Try different prompts, try different videos, so you get exactly what you want, depending on the kind of video you want to generate. Thank you. Try and subscribe to our channel, follow for more, and share, and it will be very much interesting. Thank you.